Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. The first step, right click on the start icon and select run. Once we are here, type in percent local app data percent and hit enter. So before this, we need to just right click on the task bar and select task manager. If you see the Chrome here, so just right click on it and select end task. After that, open Google folder, open Chrome folder, open user data folder. Then just take a backup of this default folder. Just copy it and paste it somewhere, because we need to delete this folder. Just select it and click on delete. Once done, close the window. Simply right click on the Chrome, open properties, go to compatibility, and we need to check this box. Run this program in compatibility mode for. Select the highest operating system. In my system it's showing Windows 8. In your system it can show Windows 10, so select it, click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.